Back to 11.8, double digit advantage once again for Team Racing Development. Lapito. Off to Liasa from the top. 10 seconds to work with. Lapito, 7 seconds shot clock.
3 points.
Liasa, in the right time, let it fly. Yes, sir! Liasa, 3! Julia shoots it off to Ibarra. From the floor. Ibarra. Dropping it off to Villa, keeps it opening, incoming, forcing into, using the ball off the mark. Villa recovers. Mignano, pull-up jumper, too strong. Defensive rebound, comes to Vinyasa. Now one letter, Vergara. Nice shot from the net. Cutting down the lead to 6, 27-21 is the score. 7 minutes and 43 here in the second. Change pass, at this time for Guevara. Moving going toward Liasa. Here comes the white shirt, 3 against 2. Nice stepping move. Fall down here.